Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking second generation of M18 projector. It is done by a company called JIMTAB and they are masters when it comes to creating the best quality projectors. I want to mention that this is a perfect time because everybody's home and they want to get something so they can play on a wall and very big size, and you can watch your latest movies that are coming out either through the Netflix or going through Disney Plus and more. This will do the job for you perfectly. And do not want to forget, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon and select all in order for you to be notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos a little bit faster and more detail every time. Now you can see that the box is really nicely designed. And then we trying to open it. We have to make sure we do it in a few different ways. And once you open the box itself, you will get all the accessories inside of it. It comes with this nice user manual. All of the information is available, which country you're from, and if you needed help, how you can contact them. They are very quick and very good on their support. It comes with a power line. You can see that. This is the same thing that you're going to connect to your computer. And this part is created for Canada and United States. So around the world, if you do misplace this, very easy to get one. Just go to one of the computer stores and you will be able to replace it. But the one that they're going to send it to you, the proper one for your country. There is a little adapter for the RCA jack 3.5 that goes at the back of your projector. We will show how that is possible. And also this part will be connecting to your RCA connectors or another extension wire that goes to your VCR. It also comes with a nice HDMI wire. It's about 1 meter long. Now the best part and a little bit detailed, what they have noticed is that there is a little cloth that you can clean the lens with this. So this is really good, and a lot of projectors do not have this. And then the remote itself, it's sitting inside of a little plastic. Let's open it. The remote is very generic. You can see that this is an IR remote. There's the IR sensor. And then the back, if you want to open the back part of it, there's one little part that you have to open. And yes, I didn't break it. I know how it sounds, but that's how you're going to be able to open. You can put 2 AAA batteries in this in order to make it work. We will do that in a few seconds, but for the meantime, let's close it. Go to the front part of it. You can see that all of the buttons that you require is in the front. The best part is this is lumens. The way that they have designed is plastic and also just silicone. The silicone part is lumen, so that means when it's totally dark, this will glow. And that way you know exactly what buttons you're going to be pressing. Now it is sitting inside of a plastic, which is perfect, so that way it doesn't collect any dust going around. And then once you take the plastic out, and here you go. This is how it looks. Beautiful. So from the front, you can see that it has been designed really nicely, and you can see the cap on top of the actual lens. And then going on the other side of it, you have IR sensor. Now going on the top, it looks like they have cut it in half. Again, it's plastic, but it really make it look like it is brushed aluminum. And then on the other side, it's just regular plastic. And then going down, you have the JIMTAB logo right in the bottom. And then going on the other side of it, you have all the buttons for the actual projector, so if you misplace your remote. But then going back up, you have the manual focus and also for Keystone. Underneath of it, there is some writing, and that's just for cautious. Now the best part is that they have all of the connections in the bottom, which has 4 screws. You can hook it up to your ceiling very easily. And also it has that little roller. So if you want to put it on a flat surface, you can open it up and you can angle it a little bit, and it will be properly set up for your viewing experience. Now what I really like about this is there's a lot of ventilation for the actual projector itself. And then you have the SD card slot on the top, which can read up to 32 gigabyte. And then you have the AV port, which we are showing you right now how it's connected. And then you have the headset jack, so that way you can connect your headsets, or if you have external speakers, go ahead, connect it to this. It will give you a really good sound. Now going towards the back itself, you can see that there is two HDMI connections. You have two USB 2.0 ports, and one of them you can even use so you can charge your phone. You have an IR sensor and then a VGA connection so you can connect your older type of computers or laptops. If you look in the bottom, this is the speaker, and then right beside it you have the AC port, and this is how you're going to be able to connect it to electricity. On the other side of it, you don't see nothing, but there's some holes for ventilation, so it makes it a lot easier to breathe when you're trying to use this projector. Now this part is for the focus and also for Keystone. So in order to focus, you just have to turn it a little bit back or forth, and then it will get focused on the screen as I'm showing you right now. And once that part is done, you want to make the sides be straight and not crooked on any way. You're going to use this Keystone part. You can go side to side, and in this way you will be able to make it straight, direct, perfect size on the screen so you don't get any blurry edges. On the earlier version of M18 from JIMTAB, their lumens was 4500, and this one comes with 6000 lumens, which will change the whole ball game, and that's why you see it so clear, and the reading is way higher than before. The sound on this is another level. I have to mention that the speaker is very tiny, but it is 5 watt, bring you a really cool analog 3D stereo sound which supports the Dolby sound. And here's the testing. So this is a new test I wanted to bring out and show you guys that yes, I have the light on, and also you can see that there is another light in the bottom, and it is a daytime. So just to cover it up and just show you guys that no matter where you're going to turn this on, it will give you a really vibrant picture, and once you go through it, you will be able to see exactly what we're talking about. So as an example, I'm going to select one of our videos from YouTube, and then we're going to play it. Thank you for visiting our channel today again. I'm going to press mute, so this way we can cover it. You can see that it is very bright. Now that's not the only thing. This is in the actual ambient light that we have on, and also this is going to go to our main screen on the wall. But again, it's really cool. It shows everything accurately. Even the light is on in the bottom, and also the light is on for our room. It's really good. Now always remember that these projectors are originally created for a really dark room in order to get really good vibrant pictures. So there you go. Now this is a pitch dark room with just the actual picture from the YouTube that we're playing right now. So there are a lot of functions that came with it. Again, I gotta mention that this is more vibrant than any other projector that I have played with. It is phenomenal when you look at it very closely and in front of you. This is way better than any other projector, or should I say budget projector, that we have played with before. So you can see that this is a pitch dark room, and now we will be able to see everything accurately. There are a lot of details that shows up through this, and I'm going to show you right now how it looks when you zoom in with the pixels. Now as you can see, there's no pixels. It's mashed out really nicely, and once you go back to a full screen, you can still see it that everything is accurate. That's what we're really looking for. Here's the actual remote. It is very tiny. Again, this is glow in the dark, which is really cool. So once you go in and you're going to press the source, you're going to get all the source there properly, so you can change from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2, as I'm just going to perform right now and show you what will happen. So once you change it, it should go to your second base. And there you go. So this is my Xbox One S, and you can see everything is set up on it properly. I really like that how it nicely shows up. And then we will go through to play some videos. So here you go. The next part is actual menu. It really makes sense why they have it with a black and white. I really like that. Going next is the actual sound. You will be able to balance your sound, and by the way, this is half Dolby that will bring you a brilliant voice out of it from the speaker that is part of it. Or if you want to connect something on a side, as I'm showing you right now, you can connect your speakers and you can even get a bigger boom out of the actual sound. The next part is the big part that they have brought a lot of new things into it. Something like the Keystone. This is something very new that I really enjoy. Once you select it, I know that I already showed you guys how you will be able to do the Keystone manually, but this is something new that they have brought up. So they have it horizontal and also vertical. So this is the horizontal one. If I have to go plus, you can see that the sides from this part to down right there, it will get smaller. I really like that. Or if you want to go, this is a plus sign, or if you want to make it to go on the other side, making it smaller, same way, you just have to go towards the left hand side and then it will make it a little bit smaller. That's not the only thing. I really like this. This is really cool for a budget projector. And then going on the bottom, this is the vertical one. It is positioned a little bit wrong. You can properly fix it, so this way you get a proper picture out of it. And then same thing if you want to make the bottom part of it smaller, and you will do the same thing, and that way you will fix it. Except that, just leave it all under 0. Mine is really leveled properly right straight on the actual wall, so I don't have any of the parts out of focus. That's what I want, is proper in every corner and every aspects of it to be in focus. So there is a manual dial to it, as I'm showing you right now, and this is how you will be able to fix that part. The next part, display size. And when you click on it, you will be able to make it 25%. If you press back, there you go. That's how small it will get from the screen that it is just producing. So this is how you will be able to process it. If you have kids and you don't want them to sit very near to the screen, you can fix this and it will get very small. I really like that. The other part that I like is that how easy it is, and it just blinks every time you change it. It just blinks and you will be able to get the picture properly. So that is another really cool sign for this projector. I really like this. Now, playing video games on this projector is beautiful because the quality that it produces is picture perfect. And on top of that, when you see the latency between the actual controller on your hand going to the gaming console and then going to the screen is very, very minimal, used almost to nothing. So when you're playing it, I am sure that you're going to feel like you're inside of the actual game. In this case, I am not really good with this game, but you can see that I can play it without problems. And then going to another game and going to another game, you can see that there is not much of an issue. I really like this. I want to mention that links will be available where you can order it from, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and also other social networking places, and thank you.